Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you guys like this video, at the end, please subscribe and click like, thumbs up, so I know that you loved it and I can continue making more videos for you guys about hair and beauty. Please comment down below if you have any questions and please stay tuned and continue watching. Thanks! This is what you're going to have with your end result after dipping your hair. So you're going to have old hair. All you have to do is redo the front and that new, and the back is old. It doesn't matter because the front is new. And the ends, when you do the curly rod, it's going to have a nice curly pattern at the bottom, like a little swirly Shirley Temple thing. And then the back is going to be curly and your braids are going to be rejuvenated. So okay, the first thing you guys are going to do is take down that old hair. So for my look, just to make my braids look a little fresher, I'm going to just take down the front. I'm not going to take down the back because I typically do not put these braids up just because I have so much hair in my head because my head is big and I got a lot of braids with a lot of hair braided into it. So I'm only going to take the front out. And what I'm going to do is carefully take this out just because I do not have extra hair. So what I do is I take it out very carefully. I dip it in some hot water, soap, and then I put it back in my hair. That's why I'm taking it out so carefully with a fine tooth comb at the end and bringing it out. Yep, so got those braids, honey. Be real careful. And next what we're going to do after this is wash that hair. So right now my hair is fully washed, just drying it off, and I'm going to grease it up. My favorite grease is Blue Magic Organics, super growth, and it has a whole bunch of different good stuff. So Blue Magic is definitely coming up in their products. They're putting new things in it. It makes it smell so good. It's my favorite. It smells great. So I'm not doing now is parting my hair all back and putting separating it into the different parts I want all at once. And I'm going to use some Shine Jam to slick the hair where I want it to be. So I put that Shine Jam all over the part so it is nice and shiny, and I'm going to brush it out for a nice sleek look. It's always great when you do braids. You need to find that really good gel. Some people use Eco Gel, but I like the Shine Jam just because it's a little bit thicker than the Eco Gel, and it lays it a little bit smoother. It's not as thick as Edge Control. I don't like putting Edge Control over my hair, but I like using the Shine Jam. It's not as thick as Edge Control, but it's thick enough. And right here, just braid it down, and in the next video I'm going to go a little bit slower and explain to you guys how to braid the extension on. So I'm just braiding very tightly and slowly braiding my hair. If you can see at the end, I'll show you how to blend it. So you're going to take a piece of one of the strands and give it to the middle strand to braid and blend in your natural hair with the fake hair. So just put a little piece in with your natural hair. So here we go again, last braid. Put the Shine Jam on all sides of the part. And we're going to get a brush and comb and slick that baby down. And make sure it just has a smooth, clean look just like before. Yes, if you guys want a tutorial about how to do extension braids in more detail, please comment down below and I will be glad to do it for you. I'm looking for a new protective style, so if you guys want to know anything about a different protective style, let me know. So you grab the hair, and I like to bring both of the strands together. Yeah, you see, you hook it slowly and you bring those two extension braids to one hand. And you just braid normally, but I like to braid a little slow so it can become tight. And how you get it tight to your scalp is you hold it as closely as you can to your scalp when you braid. It's just like braiding a normal braid. So under, over, under, over. You have the middle strand and you go under and over, under and over each in the middle. So as I said before, you just see how I slid that piece of hair to the middle? That's how you kind of blend that, you blend the fake hair with your real hair, but you have to hand it off behind that middle hair, not in the front. Okay, now that I'm done with my front braids, I'm going to have a new style. I want my hair to be curly instead of straight. So what I'm doing is I'm braiding all of my braids in different sections. So as you can see, I'm braiding again. So the middle piece, the outside strand is always going under the middle piece, and I'm handing it off. So under, middle, under, 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 under. That's all you're going, and you just have to, when you first start braiding, you just have to work on how your fingers are going to be placed while you're braiding. And once you get the hang of it, you'll go faster and faster, and then eventually you won't even have to look. But it's all about just going under. You're bringing those side pieces under the middle piece. And what I'm using is perm rods. You can buy this at any local beauty supply store. And what I'm doing is just curling the ends of my hair because I can't braid this extension hair all the way to the end to make the ends curly. So what I decided to do is take perm rods and just wrap it around and dip it that way. I'm going to do the same thing to the rest of my hair, and I'll show you in a bit. So here we go. I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7 braids in my hair, and I put all of the perm rods at the end of it just so it can have a curly, cute look to it, nice and brand new. So it kind of looks like you have a new hairstyle, but you really don't, just because the front is new and the back is old, honey. It's okay. That's all about that. Hey, and please don't judge me. I'm wearing my grandma's moo, as we call it in Louisiana. And I don't know, when I miss her, I like to wear it. Reminds me of home. It used to smell like her, but not no more. But yeah, so what you do with your braids to seal the curl pattern is you boil a pot of water, hot water, and I take it off the flame, or I turn the flame off and I dip it in the pot. Or you can get a cup and dip it in there, but I was lazy today and I just want to stick my head in that pot. So I'm trying to get it as close as I can to the scalp without burning my skin off. That's why I put the towel on my face, because it's hot as heck. Just dipping my face in the pot. Yeah, it looks like I'm steaming my face. That's actually a good way of steaming your face. Maybe we should do a tutorial. But yeah, it's a good way to steam your face too. Just put your head over the pot, nice and cheap. I love DIY anything, honey, because you know what? It saves money. But yeah, dip your hair in there. Make sure you have a towel so you can squeeze all that water off, and you can going to continue that throughout your head. All the braids need to be dipped in hot water, not lukewarm, not, chilled. It needs to be hot so that pattern of curl can stick. You want that pattern to be accentuated with hot water. If it's not hot, your curls are not going to pop as much. So here's the finished product. If you see, my curls are popping. You see it goes to wavy, and at the end, real curly and pretty. So it's just a new way to style your braids, so you don't have to wear it all straight all the time. It's nice to have a curly one, nice and curly wig. I said wig. I don't wear wigs, but I was looking into it. But yeah, here we go. The front is new. Hey, boo. Hey, you look gorgeous. Okay, them edges. But the back, that's a month of hair growth. Yeah, the front is new, honey. But the back is old, but that's okay. Your hair is grown as protective style. And we do the weave down. Whip. Yeah, girl, whip that hair, honey. Fabulous. So thumbs up for this video if you liked it, and comment down below for any other videos that you would like to see. I'll see you guys later. Bye. You need to give it up. Had it bad enough. It's not hard to see that boy is mine.